Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Topic po natin ngayon ay yung mga teacher ancillary task. Ito po yung mga task na pwedeng gawin sa labas ng school kung ikaw ay merong 6 teaching load. Ito po yung mga pwede nyong gawin sa school pero pwede rin sa labas ng school premises. Ano ba yung teacher ancillary task? Sabi dito, it refers to work incidental to a teacher's normal teaching duties, meaning these tasks come as part of the teaching process. They naturally go hand in hand with actual instruction and are essential to ensure that teaching runs smoothly. So, yung task na ito ay done in the remaining 2 hours of required 8-hour workday and are not considered as teaching load. Ito po yung sinasabi natin nung una na pwede po itong gawin sa labas ng school premises kung kayo ay merong 6 hours teaching load. So what are considered as teacher ancillary tasks? Ito. Yung una ay curriculum planning. Siyempre ito ay lesson planning at saka can be lesson plans or daily lesson logs. Kasama dito yung action research. Yung attendance sa mga LAC session or learning action cells sessions. Kasama din dito ang curriculum delivery and pedagogy. Yung scope nito ay yung preparation ng instructional aids and materials. Yung checking and recording learners' attendance and participation. At saka yung classroom management. So, yan po. Ito pa. Yung assessment of learners' progress. So, syempre, yung checking ng mga exercises at saka summative test. Yung recording of academic performance result at saka grading learners' performance or achievement. At syempre, kasama dyan yung pag-compute ng grado. Pero sa ngayon, yung computation ng grado ay madali na lang yon sa e-class record, diba? Sunod na teacher ancillary task ay itong homeroom guidance and management. Ang scope nito ay class advising duties, periodic reporting of attendance, preparation and submission of report card and other school forms, lalong-lalo na sa mga advisor, Tapos conference with parents and home visits when necessary. Ito, importante ito. Na yung coaching, mentoring, at giving technical assistance count as teacher ancillary task ba? Sabi dito, yes. Ito daw ay for master teachers. These activities are officially considered part of their ancillary task. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Sana alam nyo ano itong mga ancillary task na pwede nyong gawin outside the 6 teaching loads at outside the premises kung kayo ay may 6 hours work, 6 hours na teaching load. Hanggang dito na lang po ako. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nakagawa. Bye-bye!